Today's topic is rounding the numbers. Today we are going to learn how to round the number to the nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. So to do that, take the number 24, locate which number is in tens place. This is my tens and this is my ones. So now when you located that, draw a line next to the tens place and now look at the number next to it, to the right side of it, which is 4. The rule is if it is 5 or more than 5, we round it up. 4 is not more than 5, so we stay put, which makes us write 2 as it is, and the 4 becomes 0. So the next one here we have is 88. So my tens place is here, draw a line next to it, I have 8. So if it is 8, we round it up. So this 8 here becomes my 9, and whatever is the next, we write it as 0. Let's take another example of 75. So draw a line next to it after the tens place, which is 5, and then we look at the number next to it, which is 5. So 5 or more than 5, we round it up. So we round this 7 up. After 7, if we round 7 up, it becomes 8, so it is 80. Do the same thing for the nearest 100, 423. But now here we locate the hundreds place, which is 4. Now draw a line next to it. Now look at the number 2. 2 is less than 5, so we stay put. So we stay put 4, so 4 remains the same. 4, 0, 0. So for example, take 750. Draw a line next to it, next to the hundreds place. Look at 5. 5, we round it up, so the 7 becomes 8. You draw a line next to it. Now look at the number 6. 6, we round it up, so this 5 becomes 6,000. So here I draw a line after the thousands place. I have 2. 2 means stay put, so this 9 as it is, 9,000. So let's see how we do these type of questions. So here we write the place values on top: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions. So they're asking us to round to the nearest of million. So we draw a line next to the million. This is my millionth place. I draw a line next to it and look at the number 8. So 8 means I round it up. So this makes it write the left ones as it is 7. 6 rounds up to 7. And then zeros. All others are zeros. Well understood. So now you're gonna see some homework questions which you have to do and comment down the answers below. Thank you. Bye bye.